You know what I hate? I hate carrying two laptops. I've got this Mac that I love, that's my daily driver, and then occasionally I've got to run a Windows program. What? Yes, I know I need to run this application on Windows. Maybe it's Visio or Project or Microsoft Access because I'm teaching a database class and somebody believes that Access is a database program. So how do I get around this? Parallels. Parallels 26 is how I get around it. You can run multiple operating systems on your Mac with Parallels. And so I'm going to show you benefits of running multiple OSs on your Mac. So look right here. I am running Windows 11. I'm running Kali Linux, and I'm running Ubuntu. Why? Because sometimes I need to run a Windows program, and sometimes I need to do stuff with Linux. And I teach part-time at a college, and so the university has students taking Microsoft Office, and some of the classes need them to run Microsoft Access. Some of my students are Mac users, like I am. And so I run Parallels so I can run Windows and Kali Linux and Ubuntu. And you want to see crazy? I'm running them right now all at the same time. So there's Kali, there's Ubuntu. But I can access my Mac files on my Mac from my Linux machines inside Parallels. And I can go over here and access local files if I want. That's because it's got the Parallels tools installed. But I can also run Windows. And here I am on Windows. So I can even run Access. So here is Microsoft Access, okay? And, just for fun, we'll do the Northwind Starter Edition. Yes! What do I want to name it? I'm going to name my database George. And here I am creating an Access database. So there is my Northwind Trader Starter Edition database that I can play with. That's an Access database. Now, watch this trick. I'm going to minimize Windows. And look right here. Here is my Access database right here. I can access the app right here in my macOS tray. It's called Coherence Mode. With Coherence Mode, the Windows desktop kind of disappears. I don't have to have that. I can run apps and access it there. So I don't have to be so concerned about, hey, and there's my George 2 database. I can even add to Launchpad. I can do other things, keep it on my dock. Let's hope I don't fall in love with Access that much. But this is cool, right? The other part you may find is that sometimes Excel, Mac, the options are different. And so I have to go and open up the Windows version of Excel because there's one feature I can't get to do. So I'm going to do, a blank database. And here I am on my Mac. I can access all my files in my personal folder and my iCloud and my home drive on my Mac. I can access the quote-unquote C drive, which is really just on my Mac. And so this is really cool for me because I can access going back and forth between Windows and Mac. So anything I create on Windows that I can open on a Mac will open on a Mac. And the other thing that's cool about this setup is that, I can play games.
Capture the flag.
Now, I would recommend, if you're going to play games, that you go shut down the other VMs to save some memory. So here I am. I'm going to shut this puppy down. Shut down. And then here's Kali. If you're looking to do some hackery, some cybersecurity work to learn about cybersecurity. When I teach cybersecurity classes, I often teach about cool things like using cool tools like Nmap and forensics. Here we go. So under forensics, I'm a big fan of autopsy. I've used that to check on hard drives to kind of find things out. And that's something I like teaching in my cybersecurity classes when I teach that. So you definitely need Kali for for cybersecurity or to learn the art of white hat hacking. Do with that what you may. Now, I'm running the Pro version, which gives me the ability to do cool things in graphics heavy apps and gaming. So here I'm in Windows. I'm going to crank up Counter-Strike. I'm terrible at this game, but I'm going to try anyway. I don't know what play prime means, but okay. Your match is ready. Casual.
Let's roll.
I'm going to shut down my Kali Linux so that all my resources can now allow me to play this game. Am I ready to proceed with my brief training session? Yes, I am. Just 2 training day. All right. I'm starting as terrorist. That makes me sad, but okay, fine. Hello. I'm Waldo Terrace.
Together we can do this.
Wow. I need a better weapon. I see it already. Open the buy menu. Yeah, okay. C4 must be playing on bomb site. Alright, fine. B is the buy menu. Do I have any money? I need a weapon. I don't like what I got. Quit, please. Yes. I want to play with keyboard and mouse. Maybe I need how to play. Valkyrie. Valkyrie is hungry. Valkyrie is dead. Let's do key. Let's do normal.
Welcome.
Yeah. I'll be a Valkyrie.
Valkyrie.
Red. I guess I should go this way.
Welcome. I am Morak, the only wizard powerful enough to have summoned the gauntlet.
Valkyrie is escaping. He's going to quit the game. Yes. Quit. So there you go. That is what Parallels is all about. It makes it possible to run Windows and play games. It makes it possible to run Linux. It makes it possible to run macOS if you wanted. I could run another copy of Mac on top of Mac. Why would I do that? Because maybe I want to test something and I don't want to goof up my Mac desktop. How many times have you installed something bad on your Mac and said, now I got to uninstall that and maybe even rebuild because it got so bad? And so there you go. Those are some amazing ways. And so Parallels 26, the latest version, is fantastic. You need to download it. You need to buy it. I am going to have an affiliate link in the tray. I am a customer of Parallels. I paid for it out of my own pocket. So other than if you click on the affiliate link and you do buy Parallels, I might get a couple of pennies. It won't change the price you pay at all. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that.